I took all these fans and radiators and stuff out in the shroud, and I'm going to put a 60 gallons per minute electric water pump on here, and that'll change a few things. And then I'm putting a whole aluminum framed, much larger radiator with double 3,500 CFM fans, and I'm also putting in a 220 amp alternator which will run my fans and water pump even faster. So that should keep everything nice and cool. But once I've got this apart, I'm going to take my front suspension apart, and then I'm going to clean up all in here immaculately and repaint it. Probably repaint my engine and get it all looking new, detail the blower, etc. And then I'll start putting it all back together again.
Thanks for watching and have a great Christmas.